Hello friends, my name is Umair and today I'm going to explain about the beauty of Goldario project. Your share in the world's digital economy. You can have your digital share by just buying Blocks processor of Goldario. As our expert team has designed it in a such way, people from all over the world can be benefited with minimum investment. What is Goldario and why it is different from other cryptocurrencies in the market? Goldario is backed by precious metals, jewelry, precious stones and jewelry and retail business. How Goldario is reliable? How it is most profitable ICO in the market? Yes, Goldario is reliable because the first time in the history, project is backed by emerald mines, gold mines, established infrastructure. Why it is most profitable ICO? Because such product has never been introduced in the market before. A journey of success. As I mentioned before that they have already established infrastructure, so their journey of success is guaranteed because it is backed by running businesses and running under the group of companies. What is the vision of Goldario? The Goldario vision is to bring revolution for individuals by utilizing their precious metals and emerging technology of blockchain and cryptography. Our expert team will be taking care of your security, auditability and liquidity. Goldario aims to be the world's leading platform of choice for consumers, dealing in the business of emerald and gold mines, jewelry production factories and jewelry retail business, and all assets are backing Goldario token. Let's have a quick look on Goldario's standout features. It has established infrastructure, team expertise, potential underlying business, liquidity and accessibility, low investment limits, trusted and regulated, data transparency and passive income. We'll be discussing in details in next coming slides how Goldario works. Anyone, whether an individual or investor, can get access to Goldario ecosystem by purchasing Goldario tokens. Why you should use Goldario? Because Goldario is the world's first ever platform that strives to revolutionize the eco-cycle of the mining precious metals. Gold mines, emerald mines, jewelry retail business and jewelry production house. All businesses are backing this project, which is Goldario. So here's the question comes in mind that how Goldario earns. Goldario generates its revenue from its retail business activities and selling their precious metals and stones. So now let's talk about the growth of Goldario. What is G44? G44 is the group of holding companies under which a lot of businesses are running successfully, and Goldario is one of the leading projects of G44. INNOX Exchange is one of the running business under G44 holding groups. It's an cryptocurrency exchange and it was created in 2018 with its own technical team of blockchain experts. Gold and emeralds mining, one of the leading business running under G44, where gold together with the extracted emerald stones transformed into the jewelry. Wave 1 is a jewelry brand. This is also one of the projects of G44. It produces and sells high-end jewelry at retail and through direct sales. Soon they are going to open 2 big retail stores in 2 of the largest malls in the country. And project is underway to build 318 more stores till 2023. G44 owns one of the biggest jewelry factory in Latin America with high-tech machinery imported from Germany and Japan, and the capacity of manufacturing jewelry and gold per day is 10 kg. You can buy a number of Goldarios in a set or blocks, starting from 125 and goes up to 8,000 GLD tokens. 1 GLD token is equal to 1 USD. All bonuses are being distributed to members based on new token sale. And believe me, it's a win-win situation for everyone, for all promoters, investors and individuals. Individuals can utilize their savings to have maximum benefit. So friends, let's have an example how this block processor works and how much benefit you can have by just investing $125. So let's say John purchased a processor of $125 and two persons, Michael and David, come under John. Now only 4 entries required for John to complete this processor. 1, 2, 3, 4. And once this block will be completed, John will have 300%, which is equal to $375, out of which $125 can be withdrawn and $250 processor will be auto buy. Now, this is how block processor works. Now, what is the benefit? What is the benefit? By just investing $125, you can have maximum benefits. I will explain you how. $250 block. Once $250 block will be completed, you will have 400% profit, or you can say bonus. So 400% is equal to $1,000. So out of 1,000, you can withdraw $500 and $500 block processor. System will auto buy, just like system bought the $250 block processor. So here, once $500 block processor will be completed, you will have again 400%, which is equal to $2,000, out of which $1,000 you can withdraw and $1,000 will be split into 8 entries of 125. $125 multiply 8. So it's auto repool system. System will buy 8 entries of $125, and now with just investment of $125, you have now 8 more tokens of $125. Now look, here you withdraw $125, here you withdraw $500, and here you withdraw $1,000. All total $1,625 by just completing one circle. Now you have $125 token processor 8 times. Once the second circle will be completed, how much money you will have? 1,625 multiply 8. It's $13,000. So with just complete of 2 circles, how much you can earn? 13,000 plus 1,625 is equal to $14,625. This figure you can have by just investing $125. This is the minimum investment, $125, and you can end up by having this amount, $14,625. Next block processor is 2x block processor. It's $250. 15 entries and 8 entries required to complete this processor. Let me just show you how it works. Let's say you buy a block processor, 2 persons will come under you, then 4 more individuals, and then 8 more entries are required to complete this processor. After completion, you will have 400%. which is equal to $1,000, and as I explained you earlier, $500 will be withdrawn. I mean, you can withdraw, and then $500 system will auto buy the next processor. Earn 10% bonus on your direct referral. You can earn 10% instant commission if you refer any person, and that you can withdraw instantly. So this 10% is also for $125 block, which I missed in the previous explanation. So you can also have 10% direct referral commission in $125 and also in $250 block processor. So friends, here comes a question in mind that how about the people who are not bringing and referring the more people, how their blocks will be completed? System will support those persons. How system will support? I will explain you right here. Next is 4x block processor. $500 block, 15 entries and 8 entries required to complete the processor. After completion, you will have 400% bonus, which is equal to $2,000, out of which $1,000 you can withdraw, and $1,000 system will auto buy 8 entries of $125 processor blocks, and there is 10% if you refer any person. For direct referrals, you will get instant bonus of 10%, just like $250 block and $125 block, and this 10% bonus can be withdrawn instantly. For $500 block, also it works in the same way.
So roadmap, we are going to discuss the roadmap. As we have discussed already that Goldario is backed by 5 stable companies which are running successfully under G44 group of holding companies. Now the journey was started in 2016, but the story began to be told since 2017 when InnoX exchange was built, and this is cryptocurrency exchange and it is running successfully.
In 2017, G44 arrives in the city of Emerald and started mining emerald, and it had become one of the leading company of G44 and running successfully. After emerald mining, in 2018, G44 started mining gold, where gold together with the extracted emerald stone transformed into jewelry and sold by the group. In 2019, G44 launched Where We Want jewelry brand. In 2020, G44 has come up with the new project Goldario, which I'm already explaining you. Unlike traditional startups, where entry for a person with the low investment was impossible, but Goldario has made it finally possible. You can enter with the low investment. As explained you earlier, with just $125, you can buy a block processor of Goldario and be a part of Goldario. Impressive thing is, it is your liquid asset and accessible. Goldario tokens are easily exchangeable in any cryptocurrency exchange. Goldario is not the typical fundraising company or showing dreams and predictions of futures. It has already its established infrastructure, as I've explained to you before. You should support Goldario, because actually by supporting Goldario, you are supporting yourself. Because we believe with our expert team and this infrastructure, we can give maximum benefit to people. How our tokens will be allocated? Here you can see the circle. Sales via block processor will be 50%. Bonus allocation in BP will be 15%. Sale via exchanges will be 20%. Discounted sale is 10% and bounty program 5%. Our funds distribution will be in such way: direct investments 60%, marketing and bonuses 30%, operations 4%, platform development 3%, team development 2%, and founders team 1%. Thank you very much, friends. I gave you all the information about Goldario project. And let me tell you one thing, Goldario is registered in Estonia and all the documents are there in the website. For more information, you can visit our website www.goldario.com.